Real Ninja Finance back
Real Ninja
again. And real quick, I
Finance.
just want to tell y'all why y'all should definitely be attending conventions. So look, at conventions, you're gonna have a big gathering of like-minded people within the industry that you're working in or the industry that you're interested in, and you'll get opportunity to network with people that's in the industry that you work in. So you'll develop contacts from all over the country, maybe even all over the world, of people that's in your industry. And you should definitely be telling your job to send you to conventions. And if it's not a job related convention or just something you're interested in, you should definitely be looking to network with people who are interested in similar things and doing things that you want to be doing or that you're already doing, because it always helps to have contacts in different places. So at these conventions, you'll also have educational opportunities. These conventions offer workshops and panels and sessions that you can learn from, and they'll provide you information on what's going on within the industry, new things happening, new technologies going on. And a lot of this stuff you wouldn't learn on your own, because a lot of this stuff is debuted at conventions. So that's why it's important to get out here to these conventions. And yeah, and you also discover new products and services. A lot of vendors come to these conventions and pitch their new products, so you'll be like first to see in many cases some of the new stuff that's being rolled out in the industry that you're interested in or working in. Also, being in the inspiration you get at conventions, being around passionate individuals with groundbreaking ideas, is it's inspiring. People that are working in the industry that you want to work in or that you're already working in, that are doing different things that you didn't think of. That's good to take back to your job or just take back to your business or whatever, and implement. So yeah, definitely another reason to go to conventions. Also, you got the socializing and entertaining piece. A lot of these conventions, um, they have a lot of opportunities, happy hours, open bar hours, club nights, whatever it is, for people to network. Get loose. That's when the alcohol comes out, and you start talking to people on more of a personal level than a business level, and that's how you really develop the contacts at those social hours. And yeah, that can definitely help you go a long way. And there's also personal development. A lot of these breakout sessions can help you grow personally and business wise. So that's another reason you definitely want to hit these conventions. And they'll also affirm your interests. For enthusiasts or hobbyists or people, industry professionals, attending a convention can definitely confirm your passion for a particular industry. So you might think that you really want to be in a particular industry, then you go to a convention and you realize this is kind of dry. I'm really not into this. Or you might go and be like, yeah, this is really what I want to do. Like when you get around all the people that's really doing it. So yeah, those are reasons you definitely should be attending conventions. And there's a whole lot more, but those are just a few. So you should definitely be telling your job to send you out to these conventions so you can grow. Or if it's not a job related convention, it's something you're just interested in, you should definitely go for yourself so you can learn, see what's going on, meet some people that's already doing what you want to be doing or already doing what you are doing, so you can develop some contacts and learn some best practices. Now, some of these conventions aren't cheap, but they're definitely worth the ticket price, especially if you can learn something and then take it back to your business or your personal life or your job and make it better. So yeah. And also, so yeah, I'm at this utilities convention right now because that's my W-2 job. My day job is I'm in the utilities industry. So I went to a utilities convention to see what's going on, and it's a lot going on. But one thing that I did notice is I'm the youngest person here, and I'm only 34. Well, according to my wife, I'm only 32 because we lost 2 years in the blip. So I'm 32 by that logic. But but yeah, so I'm the youngest person here, and this is a utilities industry. Everybody is old. So what do that tell me? Y'all, if you young, you should probably be going into the trades, become a electric lineman, anything related to utilities. Because when these people retire, you know, the price of energy gonna go up because ain't nobody to service our grid. Ain't no the infrastructure is failing. Like it's gonna be crazy when all these people retire. So if you want to get a bag, like go into the trades, specifically utilities, because it ain't no young people here. So, and usually at conventions, it's a lot of young people. Like people, jobs send their young people to conventions a lot, but it ain't no young people. And I heard just when I was talking to people, like it ain't no young people in their offices, in their jobs, in their field. So is very few. And there was when one of the breakout groups, everybody was just talking about how they can't keep people. Like young people don't want to stay at a job long. They like to bounce around, and the utilities industry is very boring. Everybody want to be like the younger people. They want to work in tech or be influencers or do this to do that. But there's a lot of tech within utilities. See, like at this convention, I learned so many companies that I had no idea existed that are more interesting than what I'm doing at my current job. So now I know a bunch of different names of companies, and I got contacts for them. So when I'm ready to, you know, make bust a move, I know some companies that I didn't know existed prior to this convention. So and they all like tech companies that focus on utilities. So utilities industry is vast. Everybody need energy, everybody need water, wastewater services. So if you young, look into the utilities industry because it's not a lot of young people in this industry, and it's big money in this industry. So yeah, but that's all I got for y'all. If you need help putting a budget together or anything of that nature, shoot me an email. Link is in the description. Real Ninja Finance.
Real ninja finance.